So tonight we're off to dinner with my mum. I will be taking the car today because I can't be bothered taking the bike. So we're taking the ute. Let's go get some food. I haven't been in the ute in a while. I've been riding the motorbike to work. It's just been saving a bit of money, fuel, and then I don't clock up K's on the ute. It's working out pretty well for me so far. I'm liking it. But a bit lazy today to be riding the bike. So, just taking this. Jesus Christ. I just got done dinner with my mum. It's good to see her and catch up. It is night now. Not very dark because of daylight savings, but yeah, it's a nice night. I'm still struggling with this whole talking to the camera thing. There's so much things I want to say, but for some bizarre reason I can never record. Like, there's so much that goes on in everyday life, and there's so much stuff I'd love to get on camera, but I don't know, it just always eluded me to record, but I'm trying. The main thing is I need to be addicted to recording, which at the moment I'm not, but like I just said, so much goes on, so why aren't I recording everything and telling my emotions and my thoughts? There's so much to share. Wheelbarrow. Got it on the second try. Fuck, I know. It's the end of the day, it's like 6 o'clock at night.